Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So finally the most awaited unboxing video is here on my channel. I don't think so that I'll be doing a better unboxing after this one on my channel. So here is the Army Bomb unboxing video. I already unboxed it when I went to the BTS cafe 3 days ago, but I couldn't even vlog anything because the experience was just so amazing and I was enjoying the moment. I might record a vlog when I go there by 30th of this month on V's birthday. So yeah, y'all will get to see it. So let's just get to the unboxing part. This is how the box looks, and this feels so premium. It has a BTS and Army logo on it, Map of the Soul special edition written on it on the sides. This feels so good. These are all the details. If you want, you can just pause it and read it. And the same thing written on the sides. This is just so good. I love the box itself. So let's get to the unboxing thing. As I told you that I already unboxed it, so the seal is already broken. Let's just open it and see what's all inside it. This is the most interesting part, removing the Army Bomb from the box. Here it is. This feels so premium. Let's just keep it aside and see what's all inside it, inside the box. There are a few things. Okay, we got two things now. So this is the cloth carry bag of the Army Bomb. It's just so good, black and white. It has written Army on the one side and BTS on the other side. Yeah, BTS special edition on the other side. This feels so good. The cloth is very premium and I just love it. I'm gonna use it. Of course I'm gonna use it for the Army Bomb, of course. So let's just keep this aside and let's see what's next. So the next thing is lanyard. This is also so premium. Everything in this box is of course so premium. It has BTS written on one side and Army written on the other side. Yeah, BTS and Army always goes together. I just love it. Let's see what's next inside the box. There are two more things and one is the most interesting thing, of course. So let's just keep the box aside and see what's next. Of course the photo cards, but let's just see it at the end. So this is the instruction manual of how to use the Army Bomb, although I used it already when I went to the cafe and the armies were just enjoying it. That was totally fun. All the armies over there, they got to click pictures and that made me feel so good. I'm happy for the armies. I love you all armies. So this is the manual and let's just keep it aside. Let's get to the second most interesting part, which are the photo cards. Now apparently I got to know that we'll get 7 or OT7 cards in here. So yeah, we have 7 different photo cards in here. So this is the card that I got in the albums also. I have to hide the barcode because of obvious reasons. Let's just keep it aside and get to the photo cards. The photo cards are kept in a random way because I already opened it. So that's so cute. I just love all the pictures in it. Jin, Worldwide Handsome, of course. Obi, all the pictures are just so good. This has to be my favorite picture of Jimin. Everybody is cute. Jungkook, just have a look at his hair. I'm loving it. Hey Yoongi. And RM, that's my bias, guys. That's my bias. Back to V. And on behind, it's written Map of the Soul and the name of the members, of course. These are the most premium photo cards I have with me right now. So let's just keep them aside and get to the most interesting part, which is of course the Army Bomb. Here it is. This is my favorite part. Remove the cover. Wow. OMG, just have a look at this. I totally love this. This feels so premium. I'm just loving it. It has a BTS logo and right behind it has an Army logo with Map of the Soul written on it. This is just so good. The black and grey thing is just my favorite. It also has an Army written on it and the BTS also written on it inside the globe. This feels so premium. Although I thought that it would be much lighter when I got the box, but it feels so premium. I guess it's glass or maybe plastic, but it feels very premium. I just love it. the feel of it is just the experience. That's the best experience you can ever get. Let's just keep it, and of course let's switch it on. But for that we'll need batteries. So here I have the batteries. It actually needs 3 AAA batteries. So let's just put it inside. I'll just fast forward it for you all. Okay, 1, 2 and 3. 3 batteries, and put it back inside. I'm very excited to switch it on. This is my favorite part, switching the army bomb on. So that's how you switch it on. Wow, it's glowing, guys. I know you people might not be able to see it because of the lighting, but let me just keep my hand. Okay, see, it glows, and the glow is very bright. It isn't visible now, but the glow is very bright. It has 2 different modes. This is the first mode and this is the second mode, and the plain mode. This is just so good. And when you turn the switch down, okay, this is the normal mode. Yeah, this is the Bluetooth mode. Now for the Bluetooth mode I need to connect it to the phone. So let's just get a new phone. So yeah, here's the phone. I already have the BTS Lightstick app inside it. Okay, we need to switch on the Bluetooth. Yeah, Bluetooth and the GPS. Okay, let me just get to it. Where's the GPS? Where's the GPS? Yeah, there's the GPS. Now get back in the app. Connect to it. Okay, self mode. Yeah, we are doing the self mode, and special edition BE. That's ours. Connect. This is very exciting, guys. Keep the phone near the army bomb and it gets connected. Here we are. Okay, now apparently we have every color from the rainbow inside the army bomb. Wait, I guess you people might not be able to see it because of the brightness. Let me just turn it down. Yeah, so here you people can see the colors, and it's just so bright. The colors are vibrant and I totally love it. This has to be my favorite part of the army bomb. The purple color, of course. This looks so good. Every color glows differently and I just love it. This has to be my favorite part of it. Yeah, the purple thing. You know, the day when I went to the BTS cafe, every army just wanted it to be in purple color. And this just looks so good. We can turn it totally black out, and of course white. This is the battery status. It's 20% because I already used it a lot when I went to the cafe. So yeah, I just need to change the battery, which I'll do it later on. So these are all the colors that you can choose in the army bomb. This looks so good, isn't it? I just love it. Just have a look at all the colors. Wow. This is very pretty. I just totally love it. Let me just keep this aside and keep the army bomb down. So this was the total unboxing of the army bomb. I hope you people totally loved it, because I did. This was very interesting for me, and I hope you people can enjoy this thing too. Let's just take a sneak peek to the photo cards once again for the last time. These are so good. These are so premium. More 7 cards added to my collection. I'm just loving it. These are the official ones though. I know armies will be jealous, but please don't be. I want every army to take the experience of, having this in their hand, but here I am doing it for you people. So this was all for today's video. If you people like the video, please leave a like on the like button. Please subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I will be making a vlog of the BTS cafe once I go over there. This is just so good. I might do mini concerts at my home with the light stick. And this was all for today's video. Thank you so much, guys.